Shubor na Shlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Triumphant Institute of Management Education Private Limited kadai kajaka ai Jinghikai bapau nam haki kamra kelas na kabenta ki Samla Kiba Akhun ya ka Eksamin mapher kum ka CAT MAT GATE Bank PO CWE Clerical SSC CUET Campus Recruitment Training CRE GMAT CSAT 2 Civil Service Prelims APSC MPSC, CLAT, bat ka IPM, kabala seng haus nam shiajar khandai spa khandai puar. Ka TIME kadan arspa tam ki center, Jinghikai hakari India, haki nongba bapher bat kadan ya ki center, Jongka, Hagoti, Shillong, Jorabat, Silchar, bat hojai. Habakran chekilar pathai kubor mentagasi ka arhu pratrik urumphang 8,000 apusan. Usaumen das ubadei usamla pule barem jong ka IIT Guwahati bat IIM Lucknow bat ubadeiru director ka TIME ulapen pau ya ka Jingmen da ka baong bakum ka Shlem ai Jinghikai ka don ya ka thong banwat ya kisap na ki district bat ban ai ya ka Jingpen kre national level ha Shillong bat kumta banthau ya ka Jingmi na Meghalaya ha ka Jing persha ka baningkong banpen kup board ya ki Samla jong ka than ka TIME Coaching Institute kalas dang ya ka IIM Pre-NEUR program kabade ka jingthung banthau ya ki Samla ki baladep ya ka IIM bankintiu ya ka jingjet ki Samla hakikam sarkar bapher bankintiu ya ka jingseng kam sengjam haki than chate lami ngi kari na ka benta bankintiu ya ka jingla banyo kam jong ki Samla uda sulong balat na ki Samla pule bala shajet ladadon kinu ki bakwa bane shimbenta ha ka te ka course Haringkat ka scholarship ka ba 100% kila ban penyasno yaladi da ka ba penrung kerteng yaladi haswa kalai puitrik ulaber 8,000 apusan na ka benta banyo ya ka scholarship bat kijing ai Jinghikai kin sedang nadu katayo baningkong jong ubanaya yong 8,000 apusan kinu ki bakwa ban penrung kerteng yaladi ha ka ne ka program kila ban let mi sha ka office jong ka TIME Shillong ka badan haji R complex Upland Road Don Bosco Square Laimkhra Shillong.
My name is Soman and I'm a graduate of IIT Guwahati and did my MBA from IIM Lucknow. Prior to that I worked in General Motors in US and did my Masters from University of Michigan. I came to India and did my MBA from IIM Lucknow and after that I started an institution in Guwahati in 2011 which is called TIME. Now, TIME is a national level institution headquartered in Hyderabad. It's established in 1992 and we are mainly into the competitive exam training for various examination maths, logical reasoning, and English. The motive of starting the TIME Institute in Guwahati was to empower the youth, to give the exposure to the youth of various competitive examination and prepare them for the competitive examination. In 2018, we have started a center in Laimukra and we have seen that many of the students from Meghalaya is getting into IIM and which motivates me further, like there is a potential in the youth of Meghalaya and then we thought of launching a program called IIM Trainer. Now, under the IIM Trainer initiative, what we are doing, we are giving scholarship of 90% to the student for preparing for the getting into IIM and for government jobs. Now, with that, based upon that, we have approached the various deputy commissioner in the district, and then we have done 1 month of free training program in the district under the Chief Minister Youth Development Scheme. And we have done in Nongstoy and in West Khasi district, we have done in Maidan, East West Khasi district, and we have done in Nongpo and Ripoy. And from there we have picked up 10 students, talented students and brought them to Shillong and we are preparing them for 1 year. Now we are extending this program to Shillong as well. Now we are approaching every college and then we are doing a 1-day workshop in the college and after that workshop we are conducting 2 weeks of free training in our Laimukra center and from there we are again searching the talented youth and selecting them for the 1-year free training program for CAT getting into IIMs and also getting government job. Now one IIM is there in Shillong itself and one more IIM is coming up in Guwahati. So which is a good news for the youth of northeastern region and particularly specifically for Meghalaya whom we have seen that there is a lot of potential and if they can prepare then one day or the other after passing out from IIM they will come here and start an enterprise here like I have done it. Now, with that logic, they can create more of the private job, which is the requirement of today. Now, we have started this program in St. Andrews yesterday, and with that, we are going to every college, and then we'll conduct the workshop, career counseling workshop, and then the free training and select talented youth. We are providing 90% scholarship for all the youth whom we select. We have target of selecting 100 youths in the 2-year timing. First year in 2025, we are selecting 50 students. 2025, and next 50 students will be selecting in 2026.
These 50 are from which part of the state?
Various part of Meghalaya. So what is happening at district level, people and students are not exposed to this kind of national level training. So we are approaching the district and conducting 1 month training in the district, and from there we are selecting the 10 students from each district. And this next 20 students will be selecting from Shillong itself. So in total 30 students from the district, adjacent districts, and 20 students from Shillong headquarters.
So what about their accommodation, stay, holding?
Accommodations they need to arrange by themselves. We are taking care of only the education part. In that 1-year training, we are providing 300 hours of coaching program, and then we are providing books and mock tests in all India mock tests for the program, and it will be till 31st of March this year. 31st of March the registration will be on. From 1st week of April we are starting the batches. 1 year. This also includes the government job preparation, because we have in under an initiative we are doing the youth development for getting into IIM, also for various government jobs like central government and state government.
What kind of government job do you do?
SSC, railways, IPPS, banking sector job, LIC, insurance, and state level MPSC and district selection committee DSC jobs. Pardon?
Fees.
Fees, normally the fees is 50,000 rupees, but we are giving 90% scholarship. 10% the student is paid.